Welcome. This video will show you how to create an event on the NAEE website as a committee chair. So first of all, you'll go to the NAEE.net and type in admin after the .net. Once you do that, you'll be asked to log in to continue. So type your email address and password in that you used to log into the NAEE website. Click login. Then you'll be looking at the back end of the website. You can always click public view if you want to see what things look like to anybody going onto the website without administrative access. So to create an event, along the top here you will click events, an event list. You will click create new event. You'll likely just need to use a simple event, but there is also an advanced event option. I will be taking you through the simple event type. So click on simple. You can title the event Ed Resources Committee Meeting. And I wouldn't worry about any tags. Location's likely going to be on the phone. You can have a start date and end date would likely be the same, and put your time in for the event as well. If it's a phone call, it might likely be an hour. And registration, if you'd like people to be able to register, you can enable that option. There's no guest registrations really for a committee meeting. And that's the basics of it right there. Now for making it visible to only your committee members, you will click on visible to, and then instead of a min only, you will click that, choose restricted, and choose your member group. This is an Ed Resources Committee meeting, so I would just click on that group. What that means is that only people in the Ed Resources Committee who have that selected in their membership information will see that event and will be notified of that event. So that's it right there. We can click save. And at that point, then you can add registrants, email registrants, do reports, or edit that event. Now to email people and notify them about your event, we'll click on emails. You can go to announcement 1. Right now it says not set RSVP requested. You could send now or schedule. You can click on the link. It will show you what the event announcement looks like. Okay, and you can edit that if you need to with the edit button up here. If you click on schedule, you can see that you can send it how many ever days before the event, selected contacts, member groups, and choose your committee. And then you can hit schedule, and the email would be sent out whenever you scheduled it.